Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice simplification problem that is 8 to the power 8 minus 88. So we have to evaluate this and here we don't use calculator. So without calculator we have to simplify this problem. So now 8 to the power 8 minus 88 is equal to, here we can write this 8 like 2 cubed. So 2 cubed whole to power this one 8 and minus 88. So now here we just use that if we have algebraic that identity or exponential formula, that is a to power m whole to power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. So here it is equal to 2 to the power a times 3, which is equal to 24, and minus 88. Now our next step is, this 24 can also be written as 2 to the power 20 plus 4, which is equal to 24, and minus 88. And here we know that if we have a to the power m plus n, it will be equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So now here 2 to the power 20 times 2 to power 4 and minus, here it will be 88. So now 2 to the power this 20, that is 2 to the power 20, is also written as 10 times 2, which is equal to 20, and 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 minus 88. Now here we can also write this 2 to the power 10 whole squared times 16 and minus 88. So our next step will be 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024, and here whole squared times 16 and minus 88. Here 1024 can be written as, it is 1024, so we just write 1000 plus 24 whole squared times 16 minus 88. Now our next step is, here we can use that we have a nice algebraic formula, that is a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So here this step will be, that is a squared means 1000 squared plus b squared is 24 squared plus 2 times a is 1000 and b is 24. So here we have times 16 minus 88. Now 1000 squared, it is equal to 1 2 3 3 zeros, and again 1 2, that is 3 zeros, so we just write here 6 zeros and 1. Now 24 squared is equal to 576. So plus 24 times 2 is 48, so here 3 zeros, 48,000 times 16 and minus 88. Now here if we add all these, then we get here 1 2 3 zeros and here 675, so we just write here 675, and here we have 8, so we put 8 here, and similarly 4, so it is 4, and we have only 0 1, just writing here that it is 0 1. So now here multiply by this 16 and minus 88, now this 16 can also be written as this 16, that here 1048 and 576 times this 16 is equal to the 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 and minus 88. Now our next step is, now here 1048 576, here if you multiply this with 10 and plus this 1048 576 times this one second term is 6 and minus 88. So now here when we multiply in this to 10, we have only 0 here, and then 675 048, here we just put, that is 048, so we have 1. Now here we just write this plus, and if you multiply this one we get that 6 and 5 4 1 and 9 2 6. So 6 2 9 1 4 5 6 here minus 88. Now we have to add these two numbers here. Then we get that by adding this we have 6 and here 5 6 11. So we just put here 1 and 2, similarly 7 and again 7, so again 7, and finally we just write 6 and 1. So 1 6, that 7 7 7 2 1 6 and minus 88. Now when we subtract this we get that is 6 and 8. So 16 minus 8 we just write 8, and here 10 2 we just write 2, 10 8 is 2, here we have 1, so 7 and again 7 and again 7 and 1 6. So it is our final answer. If we see that it is actually 16 million, we can write here in words like 16, that is 16 million, 7, here we get 700, here we just write 700, so 70, here we have 70, 7, 777,000, 77,000 here, and 128, 128. So it is our final answer. We have just find out without using that it is 28. So here 128, here we just write 20 and it is 28. So it is our final answer, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So we have done this problem step by step here. Now we are going to check our entire solution here. It is our solution. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.